Do you know the film The Angry Bird 2 was released in August 14th, 2019, with a budget of $65 million? It was box office success, grossing $152.8 million. The film received generally positive reviews from critics. Bird Island, led by Red, and Piggy Island, led by Leonard, are in a prank war against each other. One day, a giant ice ball from nearby Eagle Island hits the sea near Piggy Island, forcing the pigs to seek a permanent truce with the birds. Zeta, the leader of Eagle Island, is angry with her frozen surroundings and wants to occupy the two islands by shooting ice balls from a superweapon to force their inhabitants to evacuate. On the review aggregator website Rotten Tomatoes, 72% of 109 critics' reviews are positive, with an average rating of 5.710.